puta madre! Our Romulan shadow is back. Agnes, sit down. Strapping in.
Red alert. All hands stand to battle stations. Lay in and intercept course of the Romulan ship.
Shields up. Load all torpedo bays. Stand by phasers.
Warp factor 8. Engage.
Ship is undamaged.
Possible.
Warning. Warp reactor core primary coolant failure.
Can't maintain it much longer, Commander.
Warning. Exceeding reaction chamber thermal limit. Warning. Outer hull breach.
They're not responding. They're not.
Incoming warship on attack vector. They've locked.
Incoming warship on attack.
Pathetic. Without heart.